Every pastelist loves to paint, but storing the paintings can be a problem. I do a lot of small sketches as demos for teaching, or I do them to work out bigger compositions. And I like these little paintings and sell a lot of them, but they're hard to keep track of and easy to smear. I found a solution I want to share with you. These are easy to make folders that are perfect for storage, shipping, and also a great way to display your work. I keep the folders in a Rubbermaid container in my studio where they're safe and accessible. Here's an 8x10 pastel demo I did. It's a nice little painting and it'll find a new home, but until then I want to keep it safe and give it a professional presentation for collectors. Here's what you need to make the folders. Scissors to cut the tape so it has a clean edge. Artist tape. It has enough tack, but it's also easy to remove, which comes in handy for the bottom hinge. 4 strips of foam core, 2 strips cut to the width of the painting and 2 to the length. Double stick tape that you can roll on. A pen for labeling. And 2 pieces of foam core cut to the same size and larger than the painting. These are 9x12 and the painting is 8x10. And finally, you'll need tracing paper, large enough to cover the painting. This will keep the pastel from smearing. Begin by setting the painting on the foam core, then roll 2 small pieces of artist tape and attach it to the top and bottom of the painting, lightly press to hold it in place. Next, roll the tape on the strips of foam core and then place them snugly around the painting to create a frame. Next, tape the tracing paper to the other piece of foam core, then lay the tracing paper side down on top of the painting. Make sure that the bottom and the top are lined up on both sides. Then cut 3 equal pieces of artist tape. Tape 2 of them along the top edge to create hinges, and use the third one on the bottom to create a hinge that you can open and close with. Finally, label and sign it, and now your painting is ready to show to the world, but safe to store in your studio. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please check out my Patreon site, The Painter's Classroom. It's a subscription service where I give fine art tutorials, painting tips, and answer your art questions for $5 a month. The link is down below.